Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your CapCut exporting errors. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, you might not have issues with the browser version, but if you have the desktop version on your PC and you would like to reduce the errors that are caused when you try to export, all you have to do is to go on the top left right here after you finish editing a video and click on More. Once you click on More, you're going to go all the way down until you see the one that says Settings right here. Click on it. Once you go to Settings, you're going to click on the Performance options right here. And you're going to uncheck the Speed Up Hardware Encoding. And then from here, you're going to just double check that everything is all set. And then you're going to click on Save and try exporting again. And that should help you resolve your issue. That's pretty much it. If you are also having a bit of trouble with the final export, you can try closing down other applications to free up some more RAM so that your CapCut can actually export at ease. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.